Many people feel tired or run down at some point during the day. A lack of energy could affect your daily activities and make you less productive. Even though all foods give you energy, some foods contain nutrients that could help increase your energy levels and maintain your alertness and focus throughout the day. Here's a list of 7 foods that have been proven to help promote energy levels. 1. Bananas. Bananas may be one of the best foods for energy. They're an excellent source of complex carbs, potassium, and vitamin B6, all of which can help boost your energy levels. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are good sources of protein, fatty acids, and B vitamins, making them great foods to include in your diet. A serving of salmon or tuna provides you the recommended daily amount of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation, which is a common cause of fatigue. 3. Eggs. Eggs are not only a tremendously satisfying food, but also full of energy that can help fuel your day. They're packed with protein, which can give you a steady and sustained source of energy. Additionally, leucine is the most abundant amino acid in eggs, and it's known to stimulate energy production in several ways. 4. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and they're a good source of carbs and fiber. A medium-sized apple contains about 14 grams of carbs, 10 grams of sugar, and up to 2.1 grams of fiber. Due to the rich content of natural sugars and fiber, apples can provide a slow and sustained energy release. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is a seed that's popular for its high protein, carb, and dietary fiber content, as well as its many vitamins and minerals. Even though this superfood is high in carbs, it has a low glycemic index, which indicates that its carbs are absorbed slowly and can provide a sustained energy release. Additionally, quinoa is rich in manganese, magnesium, and folate. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain cereal that could provide you long-lasting energy. It contains beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that forms a thick gel when combined with water. The presence of this gel in the digestive system delays stomach emptying and the absorption of glucose into the blood. Furthermore, oats are rich in vitamins and minerals that help the energy production process. These include B vitamins, iron, and manganese. 7. Avocados. Thanks to all of their significant health benefits, avocados are considered to be a superfood. For example, they're rich in healthy fats, B vitamins, and fiber. About 84% of the healthy fats in avocados come from monosaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to promote optimal blood fat levels and enhance the absorption of nutrients. They can also be stored in the body and used as energy sources. Additionally, the fiber in avocados count for 80% of their carb content, which can help maintain steady energy levels.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.